Hi, welcome. Today we're going to start talking about Chapter 6 in our social studies book. It's about how Texas became a state. You know, we worked really hard to become our own country during the Texas Revolution. But part of becoming our own country was also in hopes that we would become part of the United States. When Sam Houston, our first elected president of the Republic of Texas, became president, he began drafting papers to send to the United States government to request that we join the Union and become a state. They had to think about it for a long time, and their first and original answer was no. Texas had too many things going against it, and they were worried about accepting Texas as a state. But Sam Houston said, hold on to that request. You're really going to want it. You're going to change your mind, I know. And so he kept working on that. When Maribel Lamar became the second elected president of the Republic of Texas, he said, get that request back from the United States government. We do not want to become a state. No. So Maribel Lamar did not want to become a part of the United States. He wanted the Republic of Texas to stay as a sovereign country. Well, the people elected Sam Houston again, probably because he said, oh yes, we do want to become a part of the United States. So he sent the request back to the legislature. Hopefully you've looked up that word. But he kept working during his time, and then it didn't happen during that time. That's why we have a fourth and final president, who was Anson Jones, and we've been to his farm at Barrington Farms. And he helped to get this done, and Texas had to write a new state constitution that the United States government had to accept. And we had to accept some of their terms as well. We're going to read about it, and this is going to be an exciting time for us. I'm going to end up asking you why. Why didn't the United States want Texas to join? And I know that you're going to do your absolute best. I'm so glad that we're starting. Have a great day.